we're gonna start with the bumper first, but don't go all the way down to the bottom of your paper because you want to leave room for the tires. And you don't need to make this like super gigantic, but you also don't want to make it too small because remember you have to fit all those things in the back of the pickup truck. So make sure you have enough room for all that. You don't want a teeny tiny little truck. It's gonna be too hard to do all the little details. So the bumper of your truck is going to be like a long rectangle, but it's rounded on the sides. So go ahead and draw the bumper of your truck. All right, now for the tailgate, we are not going to go all the way out to the edge of the bumper. We're gonna go in a little bit because we need to leave room for the edge of the truck. So we're gonna do a line up and then a line over for the tailgate, and it's gonna be a big rectangle. And then again, don't go all the way over to the edge of the bumper. Leave a little bit of room for the side of the truck and go straight up and connect that to your tailgate. So it should look like a rectangle that does not go all the way out to the end where the bumper is. All right, now the side of the truck is gonna come right up here and it's gonna curve in and connect to the tailgate right there. So it's almost like a triangle, but like a little bit rounded, like a rounded triangle a little bit. And do the same thing again on the other side. It's gonna come up and connect to the tailgate. And that's the side of the truck, like where the tail or where the lights are, the tail lights or the brake lights on a truck. So just put little squares right there for that, and we'll color those red when we get out our colored pencils. So 2 little squares for the lights on the back.
Can I write a license plate?
Let's save that as one of the details that we add later. All right, now I want to add the tires. So see where this line is for the tailgate? I'm going to pretend like that goes straight down through the bumper. I'm not actually going to draw it, but that's right where you want to put the tire. So the tire is going to be right underneath of this line under the bumper, and it's going to be another rounded rectangle. And then you do the same thing on this side. You kind of pretend like you're going straight down through this line, but don't actually draw it, and then draw your tire right underneath of it. It's like a rounded rectangle. Once you have all that, you're gonna skip a space. This space right here is gonna be saved for your pumpkins and your apples and all the things that you're gonna be getting from the farmer's market. So you're gonna go and skip a space and then start to draw the top of the truck. So this line that's right here for the tailgate, this goes up here, and then that's where it continues up and curves around, and then curves right that, see where this line is here? Again, you're gonna imaginary line, and that's gonna go up and connect. That's like the roof, all the way up here, that's like the roof of the truck. So in order to make that a little bit wider, we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna come out here and do the same shape, but right above it. Okay, so that's the roof. And so if that's the roof, that's where your rear view mirror is gonna be. So the rear view mirror is 2 little lines and then another curved rectangle. That's your rear view mirror. And then you need the side mirrors. So the side mirrors on a truck, well, at least an old truck like this, they're not like the side mirrors on a car. They kind of come out like this. And then we're stopping right here at the same place where we stopped right here. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side for the other side mirror. Right like that.